Hi, John Garin again with Tech by Johnny G. This one will show you how to rename your file or document while you're in the document in Office 365. So we are in a Word document we have just created. It's called Document One. Oftentimes, new learners, new beginners will not change it right here because they just don't think about doing it, but it's good to get in the habit of doing it when you first create the document so you don't have to worry about changing it later. To change it while you're in the document, simply come up here to the top where you see the name of the document and click in that space. When you click in that space, it'll do one of two things. It'll do this little drop down space where you can type it, or it'll highlight right here. And if it highlights right there, you can rename it right here at the top as well. So I'm going to say report. You will name it whatever your teacher has asked, or a file name that makes sense for what you're working on. Be careful not to get into the habit of making files that are too generic, because then you'll go back and you'll be like, what is file or what is report? You would want to be specific. So it might be a report on Florida. So you might say Florida report. So just make sure you're specific enough. And if you're sharing the file, you want to make sure to identify it with more than just that, because you and everybody else will have Florida report. So you might want to put Florida report in your name in it, or your teacher's class, something that identifies you. All right, so that's how you rename a file while you're in the document. I just hit the enter key and notice how it renamed the file right there. You could, if you forget, you can always come back and rename it later again, but that's how you do it right while you're in the file. All right, so good luck and happy hacking.